How to fix Vanguard error when 148 an expected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, uninstall Sonic Studio Virtual Mixer driver. Unexpectedly, this driver triggers this error code and uninstalling this driver fixes the issue. So right click on start, select device manager, click on view and select show hidden devices. Look for Sonic Studio Virtual Mixer. You can find this device in the audio inputs and outputs category. Expand this category and find Sonic Studio Virtual Mixer. If you can't find the device here, you can check the same in this category, sound, video and game controllers. Expand this category and find the device. Suppose this is the Sonic Studio Virtual Mixer. Then right click on this device and select uninstall device. Click on uninstall, close the device manager and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. If the issue still persists, perform a clean boot. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, check this box which says hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, then go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. In the task manager, make sure that all the startup programs are disabled. If any program is enabled, disable it. Suppose this program is enabled, right click on this program and select disable. Right click on this program and select disable. After disabling all the programs, close the task manager, click on apply, click on OK. Click on restart. After restarting, check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then run right client as administrator. Right click on the right client desktop shortcut, select properties, go to the compatibility tab and check this box, run this program as administrator. Then click on apply and click on OK. Then open the right client and try to play the game. The next method you can try is set the Vanguard service to start automatically. For this, click on search, type services, click on services, look for VGC in the list. VGC is meant for Vanguard service. This one, right click on this service, select properties and change the startup type to automatic. Click on this drop down, select automatic, click on apply, click on start here. Click on OK. Close the services window and check if the error is fixed. If the error still occurs, then check your network and internet connection. Go to Action Center and click on the network icon. See if the internet is connected. You can use another source of internet such as mobile hotspot or Ethernet if you are using Wi-Fi. The next method you can try is remove and reinstall Vanguard. For this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps, go to the search box and type Vanguard. Here is Riot Vanguard. Click on three dots and select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. After uninstalling Vanguard, go to the right client and install Vanguard. After installing League of Legends or Valorant, the Vanguard will be automatically installed. So install it and then check if the issue is fixed. In the same way, Try uninstalling and reinstalling right client. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, type right, click on three dots, select Uninstall, click on Uninstall. To uninstall right client, you will have to uninstall the games first. So uninstall the games like League of Legends or Valorant or some other. Then uninstall right client and then install right client again and then install the game. Install right client from here. Run this setup file. The right client will be automatically installed. The problem should be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.